Hello guys, this is Fernando Ortiz from Ferrocar Jewelry Designs, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. This printer comes with a monochrome LCD in 2K resolution. So this one is between the Frozen Mini and the Frozen Mini 4K. It's a little expensive than the Sonic Mini normal, the regular one, but the favorite point in this printer is that all the base is metal made, so it feels very solid. So I'm going to show you a comparison between this one and the Sonics. Also in a later video I'm going to show you how to change the felt film from the resin tank of the Elegoo. For that purpose I'm going to use the Epaxx film, the Non Fep Film. And in a later video I'm going to show you the difference in the 3D prints, and I'm going to use some organic designs that I have made to see how detailed it is, what's the difference between the three printers. So enjoy the video. Okay. We recording? Yeah. So we have user manual in English. We got felt films. This is something that the Sonic doesn't came with. We got the printer, we're protected, and we got the accessories over here. For the toolkit, US. Okay, let's see what we have over here. We have the metal scrubber. Okay, this is nice. We got the power cable. I like this one better than the Sonic, so that's a good another point for Elegoo. The Sonic has this energy adapter over here, so super big, and it takes a lot of space from my connection. Okay, I got a lot of gloves over here. Oh, we got a USB over here. Looks like a Kingston, but it's not. Oh my god! And the USB, we have a little problem over here. Damage, and they put it inside with the gloves, I guess. We got this recipient over here, and we got one pair, two pairs, three pairs of gloves. Okay, right now they're winning. They bought me with those gloves. Oh man, this is super nice. So we have 3 Allen's wrench over here. We got some bolts. The problem with the Sonics is that they don't give you the Allen for the resin tank. So you have to buy it in your hardware store. And let's see what else we have. Wow. Okay, here is the catch. Got a big energy power supply over here, but at least this doesn't go like this over here. So still I have more space with the Elegoo in my electrical connection. So got the MP capacidad. Okay, oh my god. Yeah, these guys did it pretty well. They sent me those paint filters to filter the resin. Super nice. And we got this, I don't know what it is. And this is to hang the build table to, after you finish printing, to drain the resin from over the table, I guess. Okay, look what, damn, what we got some face masks, super nice. Wow, we got a plastic scrubber, we got a Elegoo mini factory, so this is a 10% discount card, very nice. We got this, this is a rubber for the cover, so it doesn't sound every time you close it. And we got this, I don't know what it is. Microbes. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, we got a tool over here. Okay, another nice detail. Okay, you got a lot of stuff over here. These people really made me happy with all of this. Okay, so let's see now the 3D printer. Move all this stuff from here and let's go for the more important part, the 3D printer. It's a little heavy. This is, yeah, it's like 3 times the weight of the Frozen Mini. Let's put it over here. Yeah, this is very nice. From outside, from what I can tell from outside, the printer is really a solid 3D print. Yeah, this is very nice. Got some legs over here, so yeah, you can take out the legs so you can level the printer in your decks. It's super nice. I will tell you, for $50, $60, $70 more, yeah, I would pay it for comparing to the Sony. Maybe Sony should do a metal Sonic Mini. It would be nice. Okay. Take this out and show you. Okay, this also this cover is more heavier and it's more strong than the one that the Sonic Minis have. This is very nice. It feels super solid too. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to retire the Sonic Mini normal and I'm gonna get one of these for my personal use. So yeah, it's really nice too over here. We got here the build table. Nice. See these angles, so the resin can fall down to the resin tank. See the ball system that they have to level the build tables. Very beautiful. You can see the surface of the build table is already sandblasted, so you're gonna have more grip with the 3D prints. They're gonna have more grip in the build table, so they don't stick in the felt film. Take this up. Okay, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful 3D print. This is my first time with a Elegoo, so I don't know have to take the screw all the way up or what? Okay. No, just a little bit. Okay. A little more. And this is the resin tank. Have a few screws in the back in comparison with the frozen. Also the fuel is protected with another fill. Okay, let's see that there is a fill. Oh, okay, there's the fill. You can see the fill over here. Also have a line over here where it tells you what's the maximum level for the resin. You have this corner over here so you can drop the resin back to the resin bottle very easily. And the printer, yeah, everything is metal over here. It's a single rail. I think this is a carbon filter, I guess. Well, just to take the air out of the printer. This is metal everywhere. Everything is metal. We have the power switch in the back. Let me see if we got some fans over here. I don't see fans back here, but let me check the back. No. So yeah, I guess it have a fan right here in the filter. And this is the screen, this is the front, with the USB in the front. All metal, very solid and a little heavier. So let's turn this printer on. Very excited with this printer. Very nice. I already have very good 3D print with the Frozen Mini normal, the regular one. I haven't tried the 4K yet, but so yeah, I can hear a fan. I think this is the fan right over here. And I can feel some air coming in the back of the printer. So this is the 2K mono screen. So we got the pad with the resin level. Here to easy put the resin back in the resin bottle. This is the menu of the printer. So we got the print option. Got the tools. This to raise up or down the arm of the build table. Got an option to make a exposure. I don't know for what it is. But the option for cleaning the tank. So when you have like a little resin, it will turn on the screen, and the resin in the tank will get solidified, and then you can remove it very easily. So let's try it. So basically that's what I do. Tank cleaning progress. Okay. Now it's turned off. What else we have? We got this another menu. So say touch screen calibration. We can change the language of the printer. So we got a 12 language right now. Okay, let's put it in English, I think. Japanese, French, Italiano, Spanish, let's see. Okay. And the information of the contact info of Elegoo. Okay, this is the first one version. Here you can turn on the sounds of the printer, so every time you turn the printer on, it will do like a beep. There it is. So let's turn that off. And this is the build table of the Elegoo. It's a map. Very easy to pull it inside. Okay, this is the comparison of the build table of the Elegoo. This is the one from the Frozen Mini Regular. And this is the one from the Frozen Mini 4K. So the Elegoo is just a little bigger. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Any question, feel free to ask and leave it in the comments below in the video. So bye guys, and I hope you like it.